This
Sir,
conference will now be recorded.
Yep, tell me.
yeah, I tried to insert a duplicate record with Workbench. I didn't try with data loader, but Workbench gave an
Everywhere it
error.
will support.
Everywhere? Okay, okay. Okay.
It supports. I mean, it'll not check a duplicate while it's inserting a record, right? So because see, it's not a matter of one or two records. It's a matter of thousands and thousands, right? Let's say that 10,000 or 100,000 records. System cannot go ahead and temporarily place a record, then go to the database, check whether there is any other corresponding records or not, then come back to you. It will be very bulky process, right? If the duplicate is being checked at the time of loading a data, not only for Salesforce, any ETL system, right? Any data upload system would be, right? So, right, it'll be. So we will do that. I mean, once we create it, then you'll see that the platform will reject, right? So we
Okay.
have not created any duplicate rules. So now everything is accepted everywhere, right?
Workbench, when I try to do it, it is giving error, saying duplicate detected. So
Did it create it or it gave an error?
it gave an error.
It didn't create the record, you're saying?
Let me, then I didn't. One second. Yeah, it didn't create the record.
Correct. Okay, fine then. That's okay.
Out of
I mean,
out of
because
10 record, only one was duplicate actually. So
okay. No, I mean, because there is a contact account, there's a duplicate rule already there, right?
okay.
Certain matching out of box, there's one duplicate rule which is running. Okay, let me log in first. Rupam @of101.com, password CRM1234 hash, right? Last class, we've been talking about the tools, right? Today, we will see the duplicate management, right? We will see the duplicate management. After we see the upload, downloads, and delete, we will immediately jump to duplicate management. But before we jump, let's go ahead and take some notes, right, on all the 4 tools that you've learned so far for uploading the data. So I will suggest that if you can turn your book into a vertical, right, and divide into 4 boxes, 4 columns. If you're taking your book in a horizontal manner, the way you're writing, then take dual page. In first one page, fold it half, second page, fold it half. Total, you will have 4 columns. I believe that everybody is able to understand whatever I'm trying to explain you to do. Divide into 4 columns. Keep little bigger columns because I'm going to give you some statements there. The first column heading is data loader. First column heading, data loader. Second column heading, data loader IO. Third column heading, workbench. Fourth column heading, import and export wizard. Even though we didn't do the export wizard, but just take it notes all at a time. Import and export wizard. Import and export wizard. Write down first. Whenever I say first, I'm in data loader. Second, IO. Third, workbench. Fourth, wizard. Import and export wizard. Okay. So I'll not keep on telling you that below this. I'll just say first one, second one, like this. Right. Number 1, first point, right? Authentication hyphen password plus security token. For data loader, for the first one, authentication hyphen password plus security token. IO, password, single factor authentication, password. Workbench, next, password. Next, password or password plus security code, not token. Security code. Password plus security code. So this is the difference between, right? all the tools on the security. Next, second one, data loader, installable bracket non-cloud hyphen Mac and Windows. Installable hyphen non-cloud or bracket non-cloud Mac operating system and Windows operating system. Remaining three, cloud. They are cloud-based tool. You don't require any installation. Cloud-based tool. Clear? Next, right? Support all objects. Next point in data loader, support all objects. Second, IO, all object. Third, workbench, all object. Fourth, only 5 object. Fourth one, only 5 objects plus custom object. 5 system plus custom. 5 system plus custom. Next, upload limit 50K, 50,000. Data loader 50,000. Data loader.io unlimited. Workbench 50K plus unlimited. 50K plus unlimited. Next, last 50K, only 50,000. Next point, next difference. Right, next difference. 1:1 mapping. 1:1 mapping. IO 1:1 mapping. Workbench 1:many mapping. 1:many. Wizard 1:many. Data loader 1:1 mapping. IO 1:1 mapping. Workbench 1:many, 1:n. And last one, wizard 1:n. Next. Right. Next, on-demand upload. Data loader, on-demand upload. IO, on-demand plus schedule upload. On-demand means somebody requested it and you uploaded it, right? There, you can schedule it, right? IO, on-demand plus schedule. On-demand plus schedule. Workbench, on-demand upload. Right? Last one, wizard, on-demand upload. Next, log on local machine. Data loader, logs are stored on local machine. Log on local machine. Next, IO, log on cloud account. Log on cloud account. In IO, log is there, but in my account. Suppose you Sachin logs in, can you see that log? No, my account. Workbench, no log. Workbench, no log. Wizard, log on cloud, accessible by admin. Log on cloud, accessible by admin. Next. Next. Only CSV. Supported format is only CSV. IO. CSV plus FTP plus inbox plus database. IO. CSV plus FTP plus Dropbox plus database. Right? Workbench. CSV. CSV. Last one. CSV plus last one. Wizard. CSV plus Gmail, Outlook, at CSV plus Gmail, Outlook, at CSV. Any data from the extract can also be. Right. Next. Right. Free software. Data loader is a free. IO. License software. You have to pay. Workbench free. And the last one is free. Right. Now, these are the differences. Complete differences between all the 4 tools that you have learned till and so far. Right. Clear? Perfect. Now, somebody is interested in real-time work. Okay. Write a homework. Somebody is interested in real-time work, no? Write a homework. First listen and then write. Okay. Somebody wants real-time uploads, so go ahead. As you wish. Tathastu. Right. Now, first listen. Upload lead with activities. For example, there is a lead query, we uploaded it. I want along with that 2 activities has to be uploaded. A call activity, log a call, right? Call the customer, call the customer, call the customer, call the customer, right? Click on save. 1 activity and 1 event or a task. I want, right, subject demo class, right? When on next 16th 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Location online. Right now you see that what are these are 2. I want you to load lead with these 2 activities. Don't create manual. The way I created, I uploaded query and then I created demo class and call the customer. No, I want there are 10 or 15 leads loaded. While loading, I want system to create a demo class and call a customer. Happy, Vishwajit? Right? Do it. Right? Go ahead and do it. Yep. Real time scenario. Keep on thinking what you will do, how you will do. Right? Now, whenever I open the leads, I should have these 2 activities inside it. the way I created manual, I can see these two activities, demo class and call the customer. I want these to be uploaded along with query. Madam query, lead 20 lead. There should be 20 demo classes created, 20 calls activities to be created for each individual records. If there are 100, 100. Everyone clear with the homework? Right? Everyone good? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
That's good. That's good. Right. Now let's proceed. Now, yesterday we see all uploads, right? Whereas in the wizard, we have seen only upload wizard. We didn't see the downloading, right? Wizard also offers you to download data. When you go to your integration, you have only data import wizard. But whereas your export wizard, this is for importing, taking the data inside, right? Can I use IO for export? Yes. Can I use data loader for export? Yes. Can I use workbench for export? Yes. Can I use import wizard for export? No. There is an export wizard available. Where is that export wizard? It is under data management. Under data, I have data export. Here is the data export. Here is the data export, right? One more point you have to write. Last point, right? Last point. Write down. Data loader, no schedule export. No schedule export. IO, schedule export. IO, schedule export. Workbench, no schedule export. Last, import and export wizard, schedule export. You can schedule an export, right? Let us see. I'm in the data, I'm in export. You have export now, or you have schedule export. So that when do you want? I want every month, every first day of every month, every 14th day of a month. No, I want first Sunday, last Sunday, fourth Sunday, fourth Saturday, every month. At what time? At 12 o'clock. See, 12 a.m. Starting from today and till next year, 2021 October. For the next 1 year, every fourth Saturday, export the data out. You can export it. You have a checkboxes. Do you want to export images, documents, attachments? Yes. Not only data, even the files can be exported. Include the Salesforce files and Salesforce CRM document version. Yes, include everything, right? If they have version 1, version 2, version 3, everything it will download. What data you want, you can check. Include all. No, I want only contact, order, accounts, opportunity. You can individually select. You can individually select like this. Individually. If you say include all, and if I click on save, it will be scheduled. Right? Where the data will be available? Will it send by email? No. Will it put in some location? No. It will be available here. It will run it. It will keep it ready. Next time when you come, it will be available here. Click, it will download. It will give you a link to download the data. It will give you a link to download the data. Does it put in a Dropbox? No. Will it dump in FTP location? No. So I can use export like this. I click on save. See, all these are objects. You can go and check which object you want. Right? A lot of tables are there. Backend tables, front tables. A lot of data can be backed up. Yes. Question?
Yes, Mr. Rupam. So every time we export the data, the link will be saved here. I mean today,
Correct.
tomorrow. Okay.
Right. This is scheduled automatically on the next month, or starting from today only. No. So this month, fourth Saturday is about to come. On the 4th Saturday, it will export. Monday morning when you come, you will be able to see it's there. You can click on it, download it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, I click on cancel. I'm not scheduling it. I will say export now. Same thing. Include all? No. Contract, order, account, opportunity, lead, contacts. Right? See, I'm taking everything, whichever I need. Solution, cases, solution. We need anything else? Right? User, all the user. Right? User roles backup. Right? So look for whatever you want. That's enough. I will say export now. Your export has been scheduled. It's in progress. You will receive an email once it's completed. So now it's running in the backend. Right? After 10 minutes, we'll come back here and you'll be able to see the link available to download the data. Whatever the link is available, it is valid only for 48 hours. That means if I open day after or day to day after tomorrow, if I open it on, right, let's say that Monday, it will not be there. The link will be vanished. Download link will be available only for 48 hours. Within 48 hours, you have to download the data. If not, run it again. The export files are available on this page for 48 hours, after which they will be deleted, automatically deleted. If you run now, for the next 48 hours, you cannot run. I run today, tomorrow also will run, no. In production, yes, you can run it. But in current, right, environment, development environment, no. After 48 hours only you can run. So next time when I click on data export, it will say your export is queued. It's in queue. It will take time. So it's running. Let's wait. Right? Your data export is currently in progress. So let's wait. Meantime, let's go to something called as duplicate management. Duplicate management. Write down duplicate management. We will come back here later as it's doing now. So let it do whatever it wants. We will see it after a couple of minutes. We'll come back again. Write down duplicate management. Duplicate management. Right? Identifying a duplicate based on a condition, identifying a duplicate based on a condition for an appropriate action. For an appropriate action, identifying a duplicate based on a condition for an appropriate action is called duplicate management. Is called duplicate management. Is called duplicate management. Is called duplicate management. Right? There are two steps. Step one. Duplicate rules. Sorry, matching rules. Step one. Matching rule. Step one. Matching rule. Step two. Step two. Duplicate rules. First one is matching rule. Second one is duplicate rule. So there are two steps. Next, write down supports only 4 objects. Support only 4 objects. Next, cross duplication is allowed. Cross duplication is supported, not allowed, is supported. Right, let's understand. Now, if I tell you there is an account called as Anupam Chakravarti, there's another account called as Rupam Chakravarti. Sorry, contact. There are 2 contacts called Anupam and Rupam. Last name Chakravarti. Both has same house address. Both has same email address. Both has same phone number. Tell me, is it a duplicate?
Sir.
Tell me.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Why? Why? Me and my brother, we stay in the same house. Me and my
Email
brother,
address.
right? Yeah, we both use same email address. We use same phone number.
Same email address is usually not
Why
the
not?
norm.
My dad doesn't have email address. Okay, let's take my dad. My dad and mom doesn't have email address. They're they're almost very old. They don't have email address. They're in 60s.
There
They don't
should
know.
be some primary key kind of thing. From
Let's
that
say
only you can
RB
identify whether
Chakravarti and
duplicate or
Rupam
not.
Chakravarti, right? RB Chakravarti, Rupam Chakravarti is email same, phone same, address same. Is it a duplicate? No.
Yes, sir.
No, I will say no. Both are individual customer.
Yeah, not
My
not
dad is in.
duplicate.
My dad is an individual customer. I am an individual customer. He likes all dabba phones. I like smartphone. Our choices are different. I buy different product from the same company. How can you
As
say
a
duplicate?
da-
I will
as
challenge
a,
it. I will say
yeah,
it's wrong.
as a data wise, you are a duplicate.
No, no. As a data wise also not. Why are you using your brain? Tell me, why are you using your brain? Who asked you to use your brain? What gave you a conclusion it's a duplicate? Why are you biased? Because the phone same, right? Email same, fax same. So if phone different, if phone is different, address is different, then it's not duplicate, right? Then it's not duplicate. Rupam Chakravarti, I'll give you one phone number 9866. I have a dual SIM. I will give you another name or R Chakravarti. One contact with Rupam Chakravarti and other with R Chakravarti. Phone number 666, phone number 888. I have 2 addresses. I have 2 flats. I'll give one flat here, one flat there. I'll create 2 email address. Now tell me, duplicate or non-duplicate? Why are you
Non-duplicate.
using?
Yeah.
Why are you using your brain? That's the question. Is that right? So why are you getting biased saying that phone same aite duplicate ante? Your brain is completely biased saying that if this matches, well, that's duplicate. Why? I'm saying I'll challenge your rule. I'll say no, it's not. We are different customer, different preferences, right? So in real time, please do not apply your brain. In real time, please request you, please do not apply your brain. What is a duplicate? Let your client decide. It is your client definition. They have to give you the definition of a duplicate. Tell me if it says that, hey, it's a duplicate data. How should I find it? Give me the definition of duplicate, right? For my business, I might define, right, my duplicate rules, right? Let's not use our brain. In your project, this rules has to be given by your client. Client has to, you have to ask your, right, solution expert or your solution architect, write a duplication rule. Tell me what is a duplicate. Define, put in the acceptance criteria in my story. Then only I'll do the programming. I will not say that if name matches, phone matches, if this matches, that matches. Let it come from the client. Client will give you, we will not question, right, saying that, okay, this is duplicate, right? There could be more than one definition of a duplicate. Definition of a duplicate can change depending on product, depending on region. For US, It could be email and phone and address matches duplicate. For India, it could be last name, right? Phone, email, address, and Aadhaar card matches. Could be, maybe I'm capturing. Or if Aadhaar match, I don't need to do anything else, then it's a duplicate. Let's say that. Or social security number matches. I need not do anything. That's a duplicate. I don't need to check anything else. Let the definition of duplicate, just don't go by that. I give you a data point. What is the definition of a duplicate is the first question you need to ask. All those definition of a duplicates are done in a place called as matching rule. Step 1. What is step 1? Define your duplication. What is a definition of duplicates as per the business requirement? You see that somebody just said that she got an error because already there is active rule is there. Standard account matching rule, there is an active rule is running, right? I will say deactivate. I'm deactivating it. You can't because already there is a rule created. First, write down matching rule, put a subheading. Definition of a duplicate is defined in matching rule. Definition of a duplicate is defined in a matching rule. Definition of a duplicate is defined in a matching rule. So first step is that you will create a matching rule. I click on new rule. It supports only 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. Account, contact, lead, individuals. Right? I will say contact. Right? What is individual? We'll talk later. I click next. I am creating a duplicate rule where I am creating a duplicate rule on contact. What is the rule name? I will say HYD Hyderabad customers, or right, I will say right any name, whatever they might have given you. I say HYD Hyderabad cust. For Hyderabad I have a different definition. For Chennai people I have a different definition of duplicates. Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad contacts. Contact DUP1 by phone and email. Phone, email. First set of rule. First set of rule. Right? For HYD Hyderabad. For HYD Hyderabad, COST cust. Finding DUPLICT duplicate based on phone and email. Phone and email. Right? Wherever phone number, not mobile, phone, exact match, fuzzy match. Fuzzy match is like little bit of random 986. Suppose in other somewhere you have 731 986, it will match it. This is equal to a like statement. I am saying exact. Do you count blank also? No. Next, so that and you can make a logic, right? And email exact matches. Email exact matches. Next, right? Email exact matches. Next, what I'm saying, mobile. Where is mobile? Mobile, again email, exact. Now I will change the logic. 1 and 2, phone and email, exactly matched. Or 3 and 4, either mobile and email matches or phone and email matches. Both has to match, mobile and email, or phone and email, any combination matches. 1 and 2 or 3 and 4. 1 and 2 or 3 and 4. I click on save. Matching rule. I defined a duplicate for me. I click on activate. You have to activate it. Perfectly done. It's in a process of activation. So it's active. I go to the matching rule. I just created a Hyderabad contact dupe 1 by phone and email. New rule, right? Where again on contact, I can have more than one duplicate, right? Hyderabad duplicate rule 2, or Hyderabad nearby, anything. Duplicate 2 by what? By what? By. What else we capture? Phone, right? Last name, last name, last name and mobile. Last name and mobile. By last name and mobile. So whenever customer last name exact match and the mobile number exact match. Only 2 condition. I'm not making it complicated. I click on save. I can create one more, right? So step 1, define duplicates. I will say active. 2 rules on contact. 2 definitions of duplicates are there in my system. 2 definitions for Hyderabad customer. For Chennai, I can create separate definition. For India, I can create separate definition as per business requirement. So, right, this can be a duplicate in Hyderabad. The same data in Chennai is not a duplicate. It can be like this, right? So we can do anything. I created a rule called matching rule. Now, first step is done. Second step, duplicate rules. Write down. Step 2, duplicate rule. Right? Criteria and action. Criteria and action. Criteria and action for a matching rule is called duplicate rule. Criteria and action for a matching rule is called duplicate rule. For a matching rule is called duplicate rule. How many rules we created? 2 rules. 2 duplicate, 2 matching rules we created. Now I come to the duplicate rule. What is a duplicate rule? It's a criteria and action, right? When do you want this matching rule to be checked is a question. I come to the duplicate rule, step 2. Click on new. I want to create on contact. What is that? I will say Hyderabad duplicate. Duplicates, Hyderabad duplicate contacts. Hyderabad duplicate contacts. We'll talk about this record level sharing now, not now. Now, whenever there's a duplicate, do you want to allow them to create first? Let's say that I'll take a simple one. Let's scroll down, right? Let's understand that whenever the last name and the mobile matches, Ravi Shastri, right? Sham Shastri, phone mobile number same, 666. You created Ravi Shastri, and as soon as you create Sham Shastri, immediately system will give you an alert. What alert? Let's write the alert message. This looks to be duplicate. Please check before creating record. 888888. That means it is our message. I'm adding some numbers in the last just to let you know that these are our message. Are you allowing? You say block, then he can't create the duplicate. I will say allow. Show an alert and report it. If somebody is editing it, allow. Show an alert, report it. One alert will be shown. I'm allowing duplicate in my system, but with a warning message, right? Compare contacts with what? Compare contact record with contact. Where is the matching rule? Here are the 2 matching rules, right? Phone and email, last name and mobile. I'm taking it. Can I add more rules? Yes. See, again, I can take the second one, right? See, this two I created, where contact phone and contact email should match, or contact mobile or email should match. You can see that. Can I add more rules? Yes, you can add multiple definitions, multiple duplicate definition to one duplicate rule. Those duplicate definitions are nothing but called matching rule. For now, to make your life simple, I'm not adding anything. For now, to make your life simple. For whom this, what is the criteria? When this rule should trigger? For everyone? Don't write anything. No. Now I'm giving the criteria. Wherever the billing city or the mailing city contains Hyderabad, or contact mailing city, contact mailing city, mailing city contains Secunderabad, I will say add, it will be or. Whenever Hyderabad or Secunderabad, then only this rule should run. If the customer give Ravi Shastri, Sham Shastri 666, same 666, but city equals to Chennai, the rule shouldn't get triggered. For Chennai customer, these rules are not applying. They might have a different definition. Can I create another duplicate rule on the same contact? Yes. How many such rule I can create? N. Like this, you can create 100 rules in one object. You can create as per your definition, as per the business definition. This is my business definition, right? So whenever last name exact match and the mobile number exact match, and only for city Hyderabad and Secunderabad, then there is a duplicate. Save. I created a rule. I click on activate. If it's activate, then it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Activation is done. Now I right click on my home screen. I open the end user account. I'm going to the end user screen now. Whatever I done, it's done by the admin. Users cannot do that. Only admin can do this, right? The user clicks on app, view all, right? He clicks on sales. I'm refreshing it again so that it get deploys. It deployed. It get deployed. Right. Let's go to contact. Create a new contact. It will work for even old also. If you create another Amit Shah, and let's say that you create one more called as Ravi Shah, it will point Mr. Ravi Shastri, Shastri. Remember that this I need. Mobile number I need. Mobile number I give 8888, 4 8s. This will work only when the mailing city is Hyderabad, HYDRABAD. I click save. First record got saved, no issues. Now, after 1 or 2 days, again I come to the contact. I click on new, right? I say Sham Shastri. Phone number is 8888. City belongs to Secunderabad or Hyderabad, anything I can type. HYDER, Hyder, NAGR, Hyder Nagar. That was Hyderabad, this is Hyder Nagar. As soon as I click on save, you see that the record that you are about to create looks like a duplicate. Oh, few duplicate. It will say that this looks to be a duplicate. Please check before creating record 888. Ravi Shastri. I'll say, okay, I know. Save. It will save it because you allowed it. Because you allowed it. Now let's go ahead. Click on deactivate. Before you make a change, deactivate the rule. Click on edit. I will say block. Right? Block. On edit, allow. On this block, scroll down. Save. Now I'm blocking it, guys. Activate. Admin has blocked it. Now let's go ahead. It'll take little time for us to refresh. So let's wait. See, we are building duplicate rules. Definition is provided. There could be a lot of definition of a duplicate. Let's not assume. Let's not build our own assumptions. Definitions has to be given by the business. Done. Hope that it got deployed. I created one more. I go to contact. Already two are there. I created one more. What is this? What Shastri? Right? SHATSHATYABHAMA Satyabhama Shastri. Phone number 8888. City Secunderabad. Save. You can't save this record because the duplicate already exists. Save. You can't save. Save. You can't save. View duplicate. This looks to be a duplicate. Please check before creating record. Sham Shastri, Ravi Shastri. Now you're creating Satyabhama Shastri. Third record I'm creating. First, I created Ravi Shastri. Second one, Sham Shastri. When I created, it gave a error, but it allowed because I allowed. Now in the third duplicate, when I'm creating, it's not allowing me. There is no way I can create. There is no way I can save it. You can't save this record. There's only option is cancel. Because as per the definition, even though Satyabhama Shastri might be a different customer because she is, right? She could be the mother-in-law or mother of, right? Because they are using the same mobile number. But they're in a different place, Secunderabad, and that was Hyderabad or Hyderguda, Hydernagar. See, system is still not loving. Click on cancel. But if I open Graham Bell, Graham, I'm opening it. I change first, I click on edit. First name, I say Satyabhama, SHATYABHAMA. Last name, Shastri. Mobile phone number, 888. Right? Mailing city, SECUNDRABAD. Save. Immediately will say that similar record exists. View duplicate. See? For edit, I say view. It's showing Sham Shastri, Ravi Shastri. I'll say okay, close, save. Record saves. I created Satyabhama Shastri now. Because you allowed it. You allowed it. See? On edit, you allowed it. Admin has allowed. Admin has allowed. Admin has allowed. You can see that. Allow. Admin has allowed it. Create block. Taking one record and modifying it to meet the criteria. You allowed it. So it's allowed. Right? And all these are getting reported. Where? We will see when we'll come to the reports. Currently, we are not in report. It's all tracking it. Matching rule, duplicate rule. Matching rule, duplicate rule. Two step. First step is to create a matching rule. Second step is to create, right? Second step is to create duplicate rule. Can I put multiple matching rule? Yes. Right? Why I'm not placing both in one rule? Because tomorrow my definition might change. That's the reason these rules has to be broken down into last smaller pieces. Any given time they want to add, you can add it. I can add one more rule. I can remove one more matching rule, right? Suppose I have two duplicates on the contact. Can I write one more duplicate rule? Yes. You see that order? 2 of 2. Because in the contact, there is already one rule is written. Which one? You see that? The default one, standard contact duplicate rule. 1. This is the second one I created. 2. Can I create one more? Yes, new rule I can create. Then there'll be 3. Right? Which one system should, right? So you can go ahead and you can order it here. There it is. Order. It will show you. See, I will say no, my rule should go up. I've right. I've made Hyderabad duplicate up. First system will check Hyderabad duplicate. Right? Hyderabad duplicate is nothing but with a last name, last name and phone. Last name and mobile. If that passes, then I will put the another check, second level check. What? Now I will say, right, email and mobile. With me, what I'm saying, I'll create one more duplicate. One more rule I'll create. That I'll put in rank 2. First system will check name and phone is matching or not from Hyderabad. No. Very good. Immediately system will go to the next level of checking. What? Now check whether the email and phone is matching or not, or email or mobile is matching or not. No. Allow. Yes. Block him. First rule passed. Second rule failed. Block. First rule fail. System will not even go to the second rule. I can have step-by-step filtration. You can order them. I can create one more and then I can say the way the default one I have sent to second one. You can start ordering it. Rearranging the orders. Interview question. Can we order the sequence in which the rules has to be triggered in duplicate? Yes, we can do that. We can go ahead and in a sequential manner, we can allow, right, ordering of this. Right? Clear now? Able to understand? So
Yeah.
first you will create a matching rule and then you will create a duplicate rule. Matching rule, then you will create a duplicate rule. That's good. Right? Write down the homework. Homework. If you are not able to do this homework, tell me on Monday, I will do it. Right? Homework. What I'm doing, let's go to the end user screen. I'm comparing a contact to a contact. Sham Shastri has been compared with what? Or Satyabhama Shastri has been compared with what? With Ravi Shastri and Sham Shastri. Where is Ravi and Sham? That means a contact is been compared with a contact. Contact is been compared with a contacts. No. Now I want you to give a homework where whenever you create a Satyabhama Shastri as a lead, system should compare not with lead but with contact. Cross object. I gave you that point. Cross duplication rule also supported. Right? I go ahead and I click on new Satyabhama Shastri. Immediately system should show hello. Right? There are 3 contacts already created. I'm not looking in, I'm not comparing lead record versus lead. I'm comparing lead versus contact. Real time. Real time. Real time. Getting it? If I create a Satyabhama Shastri here, system should throw me an error. It shouldn't allow me to create a lead called as Satyabhama Shastri because already a contact exists. Why are you creating Satyabhama Shastri again? It's a duplicate. Again, you have to go to that lead cycle, then everything, then conversion. Finally, at the conversion, you'll realize it's the same. So before creation itself, block it. Tell him that, hello, Satyabhama Shastri is already existing. So that the agent can say, hey, sir, did you call us earlier? Right? Do you have any phone with 66 or 88? Are you using an email address called Satyabhama something like this? See? So I want lead to be compared with contact and lead should show me error. With me, what I'm saying? Yes or no? Got the homework?
Yes, but what fields has to be matched? I mean,
Right, that's the correct question. What is the definition? Immediately you should ask your, right? Yep, what is the definition? Right? Don't, visualize duplicate by yourself. Okay, as per my business, whenever the email and the mobile matches, it's a duplicate. Email and mobile matches. Email, mobile, last name, 3. Let's take 3. Email, mobile, last name. If this 3 matches, then it's a duplicate. That's the definition.
the email and mobile and last name, right? 3.
Right, right. 3 should match. Clear everyone with the homework? Yes.
Luca, I have a question here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Question.
That suppose for an existing contact, how can we create a lead? We have seen a lead, we create a lead and then we convert into contact. So how can, if already the existing contact is there, how can we create a lead for the existing contact?
How to create a lead from existing contact?
Yes.
That's the question.
Yes.
Why will come in the reverse in a, what is a lead? What is a lead?
Suppose if anyone contacts for any product or business, we if they are interested, we create a lead.
Okay. Wait. First of all, if somebody asks me this question, I'll say it's a wrong question. We never create a lead from a contact. We create contact from a lead. Lead is a collection of suspect or prospect. Lead is a collection of suspect or prospect. It's an inquiry. We never create, we never, must not, should not, no application in the world will go and create a contact. From a contact, you will not create a lead. What is the requirement? You want to raise the order. So why do you want to create a lead? You can raise the order on contact, no? You want to create an opportunity, create on contact. You want to create a case, create on contact. You want to create a quotation, create on contact. Why do you want to create a lead?
If it's for a different product.
So what? So create a different opportunity, no? So different opportunity. Create a different opportunity. Why do you want to create a lead? What is the purpose of you to, from a contact to create a lead? What is the need? From a contact, can't you create an opportunity? Different product, different price book. Okay, create a different opportunity, different price book. Why you have to create a lead and then convert it to opportunity? From contact also, I told you, opportunity can be created from lead upon conversion, can be created on contact, can be created from contact, from account, from opportunity, from lead. There are 4 places from where you can create. So what is the need of converting a contact back to a lead? You can create an opportunity in contact. With me, what I'm saying?
Yes,
There's a contact.
Lost the flow.
Right. In a contact, can't I create opportunity from here directly? I can select different product, different price book. Yeah. Why not? Why it is that lead? What is a lead? Lead is a suspect and prospect. It's a first time caller in single word. To your company, first time caller is called lead. First time caller, the person who is calling first time caller is called lead. Later, you will convert a lead to contact. You want to do some, Rupam, I want to do some marketing. You can do in contact also, no marketing. I want to send a bulk email. Check everyone. Check everyone. You have a send list email. See, 16 recipient. 16 recipient. I can show. We will create a template very soon. You can send to 16 people. Why that? What is the need of this lead? We never do that. I can give you that assurance that you cannot justify your requirement to me. Right? You will not, whatever you think, you would not be able to withstand or justify your requirement to me, right? And I will reject your story saying that rejected. No valid reasons to convert a contact to a lead. You come up with a reason, Research, come with 100 reasons. I'll give you all the justification for those. There is no requirement. If somebody in an interview asks you also this question, you should immediately first smile. First smile. Give a beautiful smile to him. He should be able to feel. I said, seriously? Put this exclamation marks to him. You have a requirement to create in opposite direction. Why? What is the need of this? Give me one value. Ask the interview question reverse. Tell me one good reason. What is the justification? Because in my real time, without a justification, we don't take any change request. I need to have a solid business reason why they need it, what's blocking the process, right? What is the requirement? If that requirement doesn't make a sense, we don't waste our resources, time, resources, and bandwidth and everything. Even it's a client, we challenge client. Why do you need it? Give me a reason. Even though you are paying, that's fine. I know that you are paying, but doesn't mean that you will whatever you will do, you will say we'll do. No, give me a good reason. If it's valid, I'll take it. I'll say yes. Give me one point, one loophole, and I'll take it. Saying that just for this reason, I want this. I said, okay, we cannot handle this reason, so we'll convert. Yes, by the way, your answer is yes. You can do anything in Salesforce, right? I'll show you that process also, right? Even though we will not do it, but yes, I can create from a contact, I can create a lead. From a contact, I can create a case. From a case, I can create a contact. From an opportunity, I can create some contact case. Any cross-object creations are possible. Okay.
One more question.
Tell me.
We just created a matching rules and we apply it. So how about existing objects? The matching rules will be applied for existing contacts. The contacts already in the system.
Yes, whenever you disturb them, whenever you
Okay.
disturb,
Until
till the
then,
time you don't disturb them, no, they will not. For example, there have been 10 Shastris are there. All the 10 will be sitting. The time you open one Shastri and you just do any changes and you hit save button, immediately it will go mad. It will say, hello, I am opening Ravi Shastri, right? I go to the details and I forgot to add the phone number. 6 months back, I created Ravi Shastri and I forgot to. Now I'm adding a phone number called as 777 and I hit save. Immediately, right? What happened? Oof, it allowed. Because for edit, we allowed. For edit also, if it would have blocked, the system would have immediately come up. Hello, you're trying to edit, but I see that your last name and last name is matching. Sorry, that means nobody can do anything to this record. Nobody can, change, edit this record. Because as soon as you edit, the rule will get triggered. Because now the phone 888 is matching, right? Your 888 is matching and Hyderabad is matching, Shasi Sasti matching. Clear? Because we allowed, so it's taking it. Existing record will not impacted unless and until it is disturbed or it has been called. Any other
anyway,
questions?
yes, that's it.
No problem. Anyone else? Any questions?
Yes, Mr. Rupam, the first homework you gave, it is possible, right? I mean, without
Yeah, yeah,
programming. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
It's possible. It's possible.
Okay.
So I will not allow you to waste time now, Saturday and Sunday, breaking your head. It's possible.
Okay.
Right? Check it out how it's possible. So yes, you can do that. With a data loader, you can do that. With all the four tools, you can do that. In fact, how it is
Okay.
there, you have to check it out. Okay, done. Now, by the way, if you remember that we scheduled an export. Now I go to the data export. You see that your schedule is ready, your export is done, ready. My export now button got disabled. For the next 48 hours, I can't export again. Every 2 days, because this file will be there for 48 hours. I click on download, right? Data got exported. I open it. You'll see individual sheets will come. Individual files will come, sorry. Account, contact, case, right? Contact, contract, lead, opportunity, user, right? Open contact. All the fields got exported. All the field. Here we cannot select that I want only 3 field, 4 field. Every field in the contact got exported. So that including, right? including the deleted ones. Including the deleted ones. Including the deleted ones. So it will export all automatically. Right? Sorry. See, export all. This file is valid for how many? It will valid only for this file is valid, right? Only for 48 hours. After 48 hours, I can go to the data export. I can export again. Till 48 hours, it will be here. Can I put it in a automatically dump to a location? No. Automatically, I want this to go to a certain location. No, it will not. You cannot send it to certain locations automatically here. Right? It cannot be sent. Okay. Everyone clear? So today we have seen duplicate management. Rupam, what about duplicate in case programming? What about duplicate in opportunity programming? What about duplicate in custom objects? I create my own tables. I want to check duplicate programming, which we'll see when the programming comes. With an admin, duplicates is possible only in accounts, contacts, right? Individual, right? So these are the only objects where it's possible, right? You cannot have, right, duplicates in all the objects. Only in this 4 object currently duplicate management is supporting, right? We will stop it here. So today we have seen data export. We have seen duplicate management. I give you a homework. Monday, we will see the remaining and we'll complete this. Monday, right? The data management will be over. We'll be completing it. And then we will jump on reporting, wave analytics, because that is also linked to data, right? So I will complete that along with the data management so that all data comes into single category. Monday, we will see how to delete, how to transfer, a lot of things in data management in real-time environment. I want to delete based on a condition. I don't want to pull a record, then again use a data loader to delete it. No, I want to do it live with a condition. We can do it, right? So that's it from my end today. Happy weekend. Do the homeworks, the 2 homeworks that I gave you, right? Perform those homeworks. One is the import homework, one is the duplicate homework. Cross object, lead duplicate homework. Right? That's it for my end. Any questions, guys? Anybody has any question?
No.
All good? Everybody is able to understand whatever I'm doing here? Yes. Remember
Yes.
that you're not here for what I'm teaching. You're here for what you're
Yes,
learning.
sir.
So if you are not able to understand, immediately call it out, guys. Don't wait for anything else, or don't wait for anyone in the class, right? You are not able to understand, call it out, right? So that's it.
Okay.
So till then, thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Happy weekend.
Thank you, sir.